Hello friends, today I wanted to make a video showing you how I do my makeup. Then I do my eyebrows, I brush them up first, and then I go in with an eyebrow pencil from Essence. I really like it. It does the job, it's really simple. I do prefer other brow pencils that are a bit more sharper, like the one from NYX or Benefit, but this one does the job. So a little tip here for when I'm doing my eyebrows, I usually start at the bottom and then I create like the shape first. And I don't press too hard because when you start pressing too hard, it's really difficult to blend out those lines. I had a lot of trouble with my eyebrows that day. This is also kind of a little random tip. I'm not the biggest fan of using concealer to carve out my brows. I always only do the bottom, but I take a powder foundation instead and it looks way more natural and it's so much easier to blend out than concealer or foundation. I go in with a powder foundation. This one's from L'Oreal. It's a really hyped up product on TikTok, and when I first used it, I really hated it. I don't think this is meant for like a full coverage look. As soon as I start using the sponge, it just goes really wrong. So the trick here is definitely just building it up and taking it slow. If you're actually wanting to achieve a full coverage with your foundation, go with the liquid one instead. You're actually going to achieve the look you actually want and cover everything up. This is not going to do that without looking extremely cakey and disgusting. Then the next step is my eyeliner. This is like the unnatural thing for me, but I really like having eyeliner on. I really think it completes my look. You can easily skip this step and you're gonna save like 5-10 minutes on your makeup look that day. And here I realized I messed up my eyeliner, and I was really annoyed. I ended up going to the bathroom and completely removing it. But that's life. So something I like to use instead of an eyebrow gel is this spiking glue from got2b. I learned it from cosplaying because it's a very popular thing to use if you're a cosplayer on wigs. It works 10 million times better than eyebrow gel, so I highly recommend it. And you also get a huge bottle for literally nothing, and it works so much better. You can also use soap, but I feel like they don't stay as long and you can easily mess them up. And now we're gonna go on to my favorite step, the blush. I got the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy, and oh my gosh, I am literally obsessed with this blush. It gives such a nice natural glow, and if you add powder on top of it, it looks like you just put powder blush on it. It looks really great on its own. You can even add like another powder blush on top of it to make it more extreme if you want to, but it works completely fine on its own, and I absolutely love it. If you need any good products, just go to Rare Beauty. This next step is kind of optional, but if you want to, you can use this white eyeliner. Doesn't really matter which brand. I use the one from Essence again because it's cheap, it does the job. This is just in the shade white, does the job. And it just really helps brightening up your eyes and make them look bigger if you want that. It's the same as like if you use black, it's gonna make your eyes look smaller. It just depends on what you like. And of course, my camera went out. I had no idea it had a timer. Apparently it does. So here's me doing my mascara once again. It's again from Essence. Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna use... Nope, never mind. I'm gonna use a lip gloss. This is also from Essence. Again, I feel like these like smaller steps in your routine, like, go cheaper with them, and because you're gonna use them more often, like lip gloss, mascara, eyeliner, and stuff like that, and like splurge more on foundation and blushes and stuff like that. There we go. Here's my mascara. And of course, my camera also cut out me putting on my highlighters. This is the palette I use. This is the one from Makeup Revolution, the Sofix highlighter palette. So this is the final makeup look. I'm really happy with it. It's super glowy, super natural, but still looks like me with my eyeliner, and also has some coverage. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, and I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!